My tools, yeah. Here, look, I have the things in here. Those, something to avoid. Yeah, okay, so I have now my door is dirty, and I want to give a quick shout out to the fish. Look at this, how dirty it is there. Even in there it's dirt. The fish was saying my camera was not performing very well. Could be better. This is what I use. Look at that. Car Guys Super Cleaner and made in America. I'm gonna spray that on there. They say not to spray directly on stuff, but. So, does it look clean to you? You saw me yesterday in my video where I removed the door panel. So if this goes too bad here, you can actually take the whole door thing out and then power wash this. So when you sit in here with the brand new jeans, this is gonna turn blue. You know? And then you use this, the super cleaner. There. You can see the difference. Here you can see the difference, right? I don't know how good the camera is to show this, but this is like a day and night difference. You can get all the blue off. Because this is not, what do they call this? Vegan leather? That's RBS. This is PVC. The seat, right? Look how blue the towel gets. This is a PVC seat. And that's just what it is. Look at that. All that stuff. So this is for the rich people that only go in like brand new good clothes. Yeah. See that? How much gap here? That's what it is. Right. So I hope you liked it. I see you in the next video.